Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to protect your notes on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings button. Here, click to the notes option, and here you can find the edit protection option under the note content size. Protect your notes from accidental taps. Double tap in the note to edit. If you want to turn on this function, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled. And if you want to turn off, just click that again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.